Welcome to your no equipment bodyweight routine.
Kickstart your fitness journey from home, no equipment needed. Discover a simple, beginner-friendly bodyweight routine designed to help you build strength, boost energy, and improve overall health. All you need is some space and commitment. Get ready to feel stronger and more confident each day without stepping foot in a gym.
Why choose bodyweight exercises?
Bodyweight exercises use your own body's resistance to build muscle and improve fitness. They're accessible, easily modified, and can be done anywhere. This makes them perfect for beginners and those with busy schedules. You'll also improve balance, flexibility, and coordination as you progress.
A complete beginner's routine.
Here's a straightforward routine you can follow. Try 3 rounds of these exercises: 10 squats, 8 push-ups on knees if needed, 10 lunges per leg, 20-second plank, and 15 glute bridges. Rest for 1 minute between rounds. Focus on proper form and go at your own pace.
Tips for success and progress.
Consistency is key. Start with this routine 2 to 3 times per week. Listen to your body. If something feels uncomfortable, adjust your position or reduce the difficulty. As you get stronger, increase the number of repetitions or rounds for continued progress.
Staying motivated and tracking your progress.
Celebrate your achievements no matter how small. Jot down each workout in a notebook or on your phone. Take progress photos every few weeks. Enjoy the journey, and remember that every step forward is a win for your health and confidence.